Stuck on how to set goals in your business? Watch this video for my 3-step breakdown. If we haven't met, my name is Rhonda Mellagy, and I am a systems strategist and creator of Roadmap to Revenue. It is a system to streamline, automate, and organize your business so you are working smarter and not harder. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. So today I'm going to share with you really 3 steps to help you in setting goals for your business. Now, I have a very easy 2-step formula for setting goals, but before I even get started, there are 3 things to consider before setting your goals. Number 1, history. You need to take a look at your personal history with setting and accomplishing goals. I'm not talking about New Year's resolutions that are set and shot before the end of the month. I'm talking about in the past. How have you set goals? But more importantly, how did you take the steps necessary to accomplish those goals? Goals without a plan are just a wish. Number 2, kick limiting beliefs. Mindset is a huge part of your business that you probably don't even consider. A lot of times people get caught up in the busy work of accomplishing a goal because of their limiting beliefs like, I'm afraid to fail. What if I can't do what they ask me to do? Can't, never could do anything. And you need to take some time to reprogram your beliefs to I can. Number 3, deadlines. Everyone needs a deadline. Deadlines causes us to take action. If we're working for ourselves, we don't have the luxury of someone standing over us if we don't get the job done. And if you're working on a goal outside of client work, chances are, unless you've really hit rock bottom and have a fire in your belly, deadlines are going to come and go. There are no consequences. So I want you to create a deadline and I want you to announce it to the world, not just once, but over and over again. So now people are expecting and counting on you to come through. And sometimes the act of getting it done for others will cause us to take action and get it done. If you need help in organizing your business, make sure to click on the link in the description to use my system that literally puts your business at your fingertips. And while you're there, be sure to join a community of women just like you. I have a private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and guest experts to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence. Show me some love and comment below which step that you are going to take the next time you set your goals.